Izmir, ancient Smyrna, one of the 7 ancient cities that claim the right to be called the birthplace of Homer. With a huge horseshoe, it covers a vast bay on the eastern coast of the Aegean Sea. Izmir is a large city located in the west of Turkey in the region of the same name on the coast of the Aegean Sea. The city is located on the shores of the Gulf of Izmir at its easternmost tip, where there is also a well-protected seaport. More than 4 million people live in the city. In terms of population, Izmir is one of the 3 largest cities in Turkey. The climate in Izmir is temperate, Mediterranean, warm almost all year round, but cold and rainy in the winter months. As in any metropolis, the city has something to see for tourists. Tashcan is the capital of Uzbekistan, a metropolis with a population of more than 5 million people, lined with a grid of straight and wide streets and avenues, decorated with emerald placers of parks, squares and gardens. This marvelous city is the embodiment of the very modern elegance that is inherent in many capitals of the world, but at the same time, being an Oriental city, Tashcan has its own unique flavor. It exquisitely combines medieval buildings, as if descended from the pages of ancient Oriental fairy tales, elegant European architecture, standard concrete boxes of the Soviet era, and, finally, the buildings of modern business centers and banks, as evidence of a new era of independent Uzbekistan. Lima is the capital and largest city of Peru today. Lima is a huge, densely populated metropolitan area with over 8 million inhabitants. It is a city with crazy dynamics, a rich variety of restaurants, from Michelin-starred to fast food, unruly traffic, and incredible views of the ocean. The capital of Peru, Lima, is located on the desert coast of the Pacific Ocean. Lima is quite warm all year round, but the sky over the city from time to time is covered with a light haze, through which the sun's rays hardly break through. For evening shopping and dinner in a good restaurant is the Miraflores area, located 8 km south of the city center. Here are the best hotels, shopping centers, souvenir shops, restaurants with national cuisine. Damascus is one of the most ancient cities in the world and the oldest of the existing capitals of the planet. His past is directly related to many chapters in the Bible. Damascus is the capital and second largest, after Aleppo, city in Syria. The city is geographically located in the subtropical zone. However, despite the proximity of the Mediterranean Sea, the climate is hot and arid. Damascus is one of the oldest cities in the world. The first mentions date back to 2500 BC. In addition, Damascus is a major cultural and religious center. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.